with no noise. Speak of the devil, look at that. Not a sound, hon. Not a sound out here. Now it'll turn the audio on at some point, and it won't match. Look at this. I know, we have another one right there. And one chasing it. Look over there. Like we got a free-for-all going here. This thing is gonna go towards that thing, so I could probably catch that in the background. Yep, there it is. They're crisscrossing. Look at this. They're crisscrossing.
Yeah, audio doesn't match. It sounds like coughing.
Well, that would be talent, but this thing has absolutely no sound.
Anything that low and close should be making noise.
Something. There's nothing. It's literally nothing. It hasn't flipped on the audio yet. Where is it? I lost it for a second. Here it is. Wow, is that low? I was aiming the camera up more. Now the lights changed on it. What in the world? And this thing will circle the house like all night. See, here it comes.
Maybe 3,000 feet. Maybe.
It's gonna come back around. Making no noise, nothing. I don't even know what we're looking at, but I'll catch you when it comes back around.